Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will see how to make a bench in the Fusion 360. So let's get started. So to create the bench, first of all we will create a sketch on the front plane. So now we will take a line. Let's create a straight vertical line. So yes, we have created. So now give it a dimension as 400 mm. So yeah, so this is the line which we have created. Click and give normal construction line. Now we will create another rectangle using rectangle tool. So click on this corner and now give it as give it is so rectangle. So the length will be here 600 and as it is 400 only, so keep it as it is. So now we will use mirror tool. So for that we will select these three sides of rectangle and the mirror line as the center line and click OK. So this is what we will get. So now we will create a circle here. So we will take circle and let's create the circle whose dimension will be like its diameter will be 700 mm. So let's give 700 mm, enter. So now this is what we have. So now here we have created the basic sketch. Now we will trim out the unnecessary part of the sketch. So we will trim out the unnecessary part. Yes. So now we will give the fillet to this corner whose radius will be 60 mm. Yes, here also same, we will give fillet of 60 mm radius. Yes, this is what we have created this sketch. Now finish the sketch. So now we will extrude this sketch. So now click on this extrude, click on the sketch and we will extrude it up to 300 mm. Now yes, we have extruded. So this is what we got. So now we will give a fillet. So this we will give the fillets to all the corners. So yes, we will give the fillet to all the corners. So let's click here, select all the corners. So its radius will be 10 mm. Yes, so we have given the radius. So now we will create another sketch on this front plane of the body. So now we will create a rectangle. So we will take a line. Let's create a line. So using line we have created this rectangle of which we have created before. So let's give the dimension. Dimension are as below. So this is 1200, this is 400 and also the distance between this point also 1200 and this is also 400. So we have created. So now on this surface we will create a rectangular pattern. So click on rectangular pattern. So the object which we want to multiply will be this line. So yes, so we will select this line and the direction will be in this direction. So number of instances will be 24, and the distance, total distance will be 1200. So now create OK and finish the sketch. So now we will extrude cut out these sections. So now click Ctrl and select the alternate section of this sketch and extrude them out. Okay. And click enter. Let's make it aesthetically good. So now click on body, click right click and then click on appearance. So as the benches are made up of wood only, so we will click here, we'll scroll down and we will see wood. In wood section we will see all these. So let's try one. Just drag and drop. Yes, now yeah, this also good. Okay, I guess this. So I like this one, pine, so I have selected pine. So you may choose any of these and click OK. Thank you guys.